Welcome, my people. How's everybody doing? Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and because I'm gonna make it better, right? Because we are gonna cook together. So today we are gonna make Italian style pasta salad, and when I tell you this recipe is delicious, it's super delicious. So let's get started. So these are our ingredients for pasta salad, guys. The Rotini pasta, the black olives, the mozzarella balls that almost look like cherry tomatoes. I love them. They're really good. Banana bell peppers. I have here some roasted artichoke hearts. I love them too. Cherry tomato, roasted garlic, guys. Roasted garlic. Salad olives, the Kraft Zesty Italian dressing, some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, some fresh parsley, red onion, and some salami. So let's get started. So here I have the water boiling already with a little bit of oil, little bit of salt, and a little bit of garlic powder in the water. You always want to season your water a little bit for your pasta, guys. And I only added a half a box of the pasta. So here it has been already about 10 minutes. And I checked it, and it was like almost al dente. So now I am seasoning. Here I'm using my Italian seasoning. And you add as much as you like, because it doesn't have what, guys? Salt. All right, it doesn't have any salt. So now we're gonna add a little bit of the salad dressing. Make sure you shake it. I like to season the pasta before I start adding the rest of the stuff, and make sure that everything blends in that pasta. Here I'm adding some of that roasted garlic, guys. Ooh, that stuff is tasty. All right, so here while we are mixing, if you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button for me and the notification button that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday and Sunday except holiday weeks. So here this is a technique I use to cut my tomatoes. As you can see, I held down a piece of lid, or you could use a flat plate. I just laid too many tomatoes at a time, but it's okay. As you can see, it works. Only 3 I wasn't able to slice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and look at this. Look how easy that is, guys. All right, so that's a trick for you, okay? So go ahead and try it. So here I'm cutting some of my mozzarella. Some of them like in half and some of them like in little quarter pieces. But if you want to leave them more in whole, that is all preference. Okay, guys? All preference, up to you. So here I got my artichoke heart. And I'm just going to slice them a little bit, just not too small. I like to leave them in nice piece. As you can see, that's a nice piece right there. Not too small. And my black olives, we're just going to slice them in half. If you buy the ones that already sliced up, better for you, darling. You don't have to cut nothing. All right. And here we are doing the same thing to the salad olives. And here my banana peppers, I'm chopping them just in small bites. And here I am chopping away with my parsley as fine as possible. Okay, as fine as possible. And my salami, I am cutting them in strips because I like grabbing like big pieces. But again, it's all preference. You want to cut them smaller. It is all to you. It's all preference. No right and wrong here, guys. Like I always say, make this recipe yours. Here, I decided to add more oregano So I'm crushing some oregano. And I'm adding a little bit more the salad dressing. Now that I added most of the ingredients. Not all of them, because I'm waiting to add my onions, because I can't rub onions. So I take out usually my portion and then I add the onions to whatever dish I'm making for the rest of the family. So here, as you can see, I already took out mine and I'm adding the red onions to the rest of the salad. And guys, I'm telling you, this salad is so good and tasty, especially now for the summer. You could keep it in the fridge and just have it ready. And this is your final product. Look at how pretty it is. And I am going to go ahead and taste this salad for you. So guys, look at that salad. Okay, look at that salad. And I let this sit overnight, guys. You already know things like this, it tastes even better the next day. Just that piece of plain pasta. Plain pasta has so much flavor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab me some of my ingredients. Need my artichoke. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Definitely put this on your menu for the 4th of July. I could eat this alone. This is just a meal. And also this kind of salad, they are good for meal prepping, like for lunchtime. And you prep this and put it in the fridge. Guys, that mozzarella, everything is just so coated. Look at how beautiful that is. Thank you, guys. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate each one of you. And go ahead, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button. And I will see you on the next video, the next recipe. But this here, you can make this all summer, baby. All summer. I will see you in the next recipe. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great day.